This is Mrs Claus Naughty Fizz. What is the crack? Happy holidays and welcome to the channel. This is the Rusty Bartender's Christmas Cocktail Advent Calendar. Along the way, we're going to have special guests and episodes. There's prizes to be won. Check the description below about the prizes. It's a competition where you can win a signed copy of Leandro from Educated Barfly's cocktail book. You can win another cocktail book, cocktail shakers, a whole host of other goodies. Check it out in the description. But today's cocktail is Mrs Claus Naughty Fizz. Let's get into it.
The North Pole, them are fighting words, partner. Put them up!
So my idea for this is that Christmas Day, everybody loves a mimosa or a Bucks Fizz, depending on where in the world you are and what it's called. I was originally going to call this like a Santa's mimosa or Mrs. Claus mimosa, but I think the mimosa was created in the 1920s by a French bartender, and it was called a mimosa because the French cooks in the restaurant, they actually named it after the mimosa flower, which is actually Australian. I'm in Australia right now. And it was called that because of the colour of it. So it was like sort of yellowy, sort of orange flower. Can't really call that a mimosa now, can I? So it's Mrs. Claus Naughty Fizz. Here's the recipe. So you're gonna have to prepare ahead for this recipe. What you're gonna do is take some cranberry juice. You're gonna put it on the stove, heat it up just a little bit. You're not gonna boil it, just gently warm it, and you're gonna add a couple of cinnamon sticks, a bit of star anise, maybe some cloves, other winter spices if you like them. And you're gonna sort of heat that for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, just to incorporate everything. Let it sit there, cool down to room temperature, strain it out, bottle it, stick it in the fridge, and you're left with lovely infused cranberry juice. You've got the cinnamon flavors, you got the star anise, all Christmassy sort of flavors going on there. You know this is gonna be good. And like I said in the intro, this was in my head originally sort of like a twist on a mimosa, but I can't call it a mimosa. So you know everybody's gonna enjoy this drink. So, just like mimosa, you're gonna start off with some sparkling, your favorite kind of sparkling. I like mine 3/4 of the way filled. And then you add the juice. Some people like half and half. You can do whatever you want. This is your Christmas drink. All right. Then you're just gonna add your Christmas cranberry juice. Beautiful. Give it a little stir. Doesn't need much. There you go, folks. There it is. Beautiful, isn't it? A lot of color. Let's give it a sip. See what's going on in the glass. That is delightful, that one. It's kind of like sort of like a lighter sort of sangria sort of vibe going on. That makes sense. And the cranberry and the winter spices really sort of blend so well, and out of the Prosecco, it's a nice sort of light sort of fizz. This is very tasty. You can have 1 or 2 of these breakfast morning. Set you up nicely for the day, let me tell you. That's tasty. That's so easy to drink. What's going on? Delicious. Give us one try, folks.